Hey, everybody. So stop talking, get off your phones. You know that I'm going to expect you to be able to do these dichotomous keys. So I'm here to go through it with you so you can hopefully understand it. I think it's super fun and I think it's kind of like a little puzzle game. So I think you guys should be good with it and be able to do it without me. But I'm just warning everybody, you need to be quiet right now while I go over this part. Okay, here we go. So on here, in order to figure out each one of these leaves, let's say that we are going to start with leaf A. So which one is leaf A? So I'm going to look at the different steps. So I'm going to go to step 1 first. And on step 1, I'm going to compare, is the leaf an oval shape or is it a star shape? So it's not a perfect oval, but it's definitely more of an oval than a star. So that means that it is an oval shape, and I'm going to go to step 2. So now I'm down here on step 2. So then I have to choose leaf is shorter, wide, or leaf is longer and narrow. So is it short and wide and long and narrow? So I would say that it is shorter and wide. So that is this one, which tells me to go to step 4. So then I'm going to go to step 4. So step 3, I'm skipping altogether because that's not what this tells me to do. I'm just going step by step. So I go to step 4, and then my choices are leaf has 4 veins on each side, or leaf has 5 veins on each side. So these little lines here. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, this one has 4. So since this one has 4, that tells me that this is the correct answer, and it tells me this is a birch. So let me go up and check because I have these on here. Let me erase, and it is a birch. Okay, so I for sure got that one right. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one so you guys can see another example. Okay, so this time we are going to do B. So this leaf, again, I already know it's oval because that's going to be one of my first options. So leaf is oval shaped. I'm going to step 2. Step 2, is the leaf short and wide or is it longer and narrow? Well, it's a pretty similar to A, right? So I know it's shorter and wide. So I'm going to go to step 4. Step 4 has me looking at the number of veins on each side. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means this much must be a beech leaf from a beech tree. So let's see if that's right. There's my beech. Okay, so I got that one right. All right, let's do one more, and then I'm going to have you guys do them on your own. So next step is going to be, let's do a different color for this guy. Let's do a green. So we've got C. So this time, our first option is oval or star, and that is definitely a star shape. So I'm going to go to step 3. Step 3. Does my leaf have smooth edges or jagged edges? So these edges right here are nice and smooth. So these are my smooth edges, and I know already what that is. It's a sweet gum tree. Okay, so let's check. Did I get that right? I sure did. Okay, so this is just following a dichotomous key. It's pretty easy, right? I also think it's kind of fun to do. So we're going to do lots of practices of these. I want you guys to go ahead and everybody go ahead and do D on your own. So everybody practice D, and I will wait and let you guys practice. Okay, so let's see what we got. So we should have been able to see it was oval shaped. So we went to step 2. We should have been able to see it was long and narrow, so it was a hickory. Did we get that one right? We sure did. Okay, last one. It's obviously the last one left, right? So that makes it pretty easy, but you can still do a double check. What would we do for that one? So everybody write in the last one. Okay, and you should have got that that one was the sugar maple. So the rest of the ones you're going to do a little smiley face emoji. You have the bird one to do. So you'll do the second half of the page first and do the bird. And then you have different emojis that we made up names for to make it kind of fun to practice with. So your goal is to for sure be able to read and complete a dichotomous key by tomorrow. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Work hard, be good.